Build taller, wider, and stronger than ever before with Atlas Tube Jumbo HSS. Our newest sizes are the largest ever made in America, giving architects and engineers fresh, exciting tools to create striking designs and efficient use of steel. Start planning projects with Jumbo HSS today so you can design and build with stronger columns and longer spans, all while enjoying the unmatched efficiency and weight savings HSS can offer. Jumbo sizes are perfect for tall columns, wide open floor space, and long unbraced spans, and are a cost-effective solution for industrial and manufacturing facilities, bridges, warehouses, multi-story buildings, DOT signs and structural supports, and more. Supporting the longest spans and most extreme load demands, while weighing up to 50% less than wide-flanged sections with similar load-bearing properties. Atlas Tube Jumbo HSS are rolled right here in the US and are readily available from our mill with 2 to 4 week lead times, the shortest in the industry, and from stocking partners across North America. So if you're designing, estimating, or building, and you're ready to dream bigger, reach out today to speak with an expert. We're ready to help you start planning big things.